The Donkey in the Lion's Skin. Once upon a time, in a bright green meadow filled with colorful flowers and fluttering butterflies, there lived a curious donkey. One sunny morning, as he wandered through the fields, something strange caught his eye: a lion's skin lying abandoned in the grass. The donkey's eyes sparkled with a mischievous idea. Ah, he thought, if I wear this lion's skin, everyone will think I am the king of the jungle. Excited by his clever plan, he quickly slipped into the skin, pulling it up awkwardly over his long ears and legs. When he looked at his reflection in a nearby pond, he was amazed. He could hardly recognize himself. Standing before him was what looked like a mighty lion. Feeling proud and powerful, the donkey decided to stroll through the forest. As he walked, the other animals caught sight of him and froze in fear. The deer ran into the bushes, the rabbits dived into their burrows, and the birds flew away in panic. Wherever he went, the forest grew silent. The donkey was delighted. For the first time, everyone respected him. Enjoying his new power, he stood tall and tried to act fierce. He raised his head, opened his mouth wide, and attempted a great lion's roar. But instead of a thunderous roar, out came his usual voice, a loud, ridiculous hee-haw, hee-haw. The forest echoed with laughter. The animals peeked out from their hiding places and giggled, for now they knew exactly who was behind the disguise. A wise old owl flew down from a tree and said, "Dear donkey, you may wear a lion's skin, but your voice has given you away." The donkey's ears drooped in shame. He realized his foolish mistake. Slowly he took off the lion's skin and walked back to his meadow, feeling wiser than before. From that day on, the donkey never tried to be someone he was not. And so, we learn that clothes may disguise a fool, but his words will always give him away.